God damn, Bobby, there's a big hole right there. Big old hole. The fence building project. We are closing off this little remaining gap. It's about like a 20-foot gap that we're gonna close up. First thing you wanna do is get a string line and run it to your next post. That will give you a straight edge so you can mark where you want to put your middle post. So right here is a post hole digger. Right there is a hole. This is the middle point and we're going to start digging our hole. Most fences are built with a post spacing of about like 8 feet apart. We're going to do 10 feet so that we span the 20-foot section evenly.
2 hours later.
Alright, so we finished digging the hole, got our 4x4 post ready to go.
Attach some scrap wood as stabilizer pieces for when you cement the 4x4 post in.
It's super important to get your post plumb. You can use one of these corner post levels. I think I got this from Home Depot for like 10 bucks or something. And just make sure that all your bubbles line up. Get this Quikrete fast setting concrete mix. You pour it in dry and then you add water after. It'll set hard in 20 to 40 minutes. Real hard. Measure the distance between your 4x4 posts. Mark that distance on your 2x4 and make the cut. Measure from the halfway point of one 4x4 post to the next. You'll need to do this so that your 2x4 can share a nailing point into the 4x4 post. Take a clamp and clamp your 2x4 to your 4x4, level out your 2x4 and screw it into the next post. Support rail's done now. Just a little finicky, just getting the levels all straight. So now it's just screwing the pickets on to the railings. If you see most like commercial fences, when they build a large linear footage of them, they use a staple gun. But since we're just doing a short section, I just do screws. So I use like 1.5 inch.